Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities at US based stocks markets. Today we'll have a look at 10xGenomics TXG traded at NASDAQ. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow our other videos so you will be always informed when we have a new video uploaded. So TXG is actually a very interesting stock that's showing classical uptrend being 20, 50, 200, meaning like it's moving average 20, 50 and 200 are aligned like this. So 1, 2nd and 3rd, and this is usually a very good sign. They are, by the way, depicted here in 3 colors. You can see the legend of those here on the left in the circle. So having these 3 curves aligned like that is usually meaning that the stock is overall very stable. So if you're a long-term trader, you can buy at any moment actually and then wait for profit in time of a year. If you are more like middle short-term trader, then you need to catch a wave. And then speaking of waves, we need to see the trends and to understand how much fuel is still left in TXG stock for further uptrend and growth. So first of all, we need to note here that although it's not seen clearly, here on the top at around 107, we see the maximum of pre-COVID situation, meaning like still to have this psychological barrier, there is still a space to fill up to go to pre-COVID state of the stock, because then it gradually, as thousands of other companies moved down, and at March 17 it actually was this COVID down boom, and then it started to recover slowly. Then if you look from this point how the uptrend was going, you can see here actually there were 2 clear lines. So this was one acceleration line, and seems like that we are about to start the second acceleration or second trend, which is a little bit slower, but still it's a trend. So the first one, let's call it trend 1, and the second one is trend 2, which is also normal because you can see that moving average 20 and 50 are slowly kind of flattening, still not flat, not showing any indication of strong flat, but kind of, let's say, changing their speed, which is normal for any upwards going stock. Its upwards potential slightly decreasing, but it's still there. So here you can see several waves. Like first wave started at 23rd of March, then it was confirmed that the trend 1 at around 6-7 of April, then second big wave started, which was then confirmed at about 19th of May, and then it was like tiny waves started 26th May and ended about 15th of June, then another small wave ended at somewhere 25th of June, and now seems like we're having another wave somewhere in the middle, and it might still probably go higher up. There could be still some fuel, or what it can also do, it can still return to the trend 2 in this case, and then reverse on that. So this would be the most advised strategy. You can still also buy already in the existing price and then average down, but looking in the last candle of today trading, seems like that we are somewhere on the top of this last wave, and probably we will be next week coming to the trend line 1 for reconfirmation of the trend. And that would be actually the nice buying point. Still, what was possible if it would be some negativity overall on the market, the trend one line will be pierced down a little bit, and then the moving average 50, which is this blue line, will work as a very strong support. Also co-supported with another support line here. So it will be actually, that time it will be like a double support, which will work really like a strong one. Strong reversal point. So this makes us kind of 2 buying boxes actually. One is in the vicinity of points, actually in the vicinity of trend 2 line, and second one any space between trend 2 line and this blue line, let's call it support 1 line. So that would be really the very nice to buy. And then we should see some reversal, and there is still, as I said, potential to return to pre-COVID green line, let's call it pre-COVID PC, so PC line. Overall, the stock is still showing some good fuel. If you look at RSI, it's kind of making waves around the middle point, which is very good. And you can see that middle points actually coincide each time with the beginning of the new wave here, which is a classical upwards trend on the trend line with waves. You can see probably it's kind of trend tending to return to the middle, the RSI, also imaginarily coinciding with upcoming end of the current wave and beginning of the next one. Also, if you look at the MACD index, you can see it's making slight positive negative waves, which is also classical behavior for this upwards trending wavy behavior of the stock. So that's it for TXG. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our next videos. Thank you for that.